Well, I kind of messed up. I came over, I was just picking stuff up. I wasn't thinking. I saw something cool and I reached down. I forgot I'm supposed to pick my phone up first. But I'd already moved it, so I'll show you. You can see it's got crazy cool growths. It's just ridiculous. It's a little oyster pocket in there, and it's completely druzy. And it's this black stuff I'm finding that's very odd. I've never seen black coral before, but I think that's what I'm finding. But while I'm sitting here, I looked around and I saw this sitting here. I don't know if you can see that right there, but oh yeah, look at those colors. That's nice. More druzy right there. It looks like a little oyster pocket busted open right there. Okay, so I'm sitting here and I'm looking around. Oh, I'm trying to film these and see if I can see something else. And I do. This is the little sweet spot. So let's move along. All right, here's a potential, and no, it's okay. But see, this is that stuff I'm calling the black coral. It's really dark. Like, there is no excuse for that dark. I'm an archaeologist in Florida. I've dug a lot of sites, and this I've seen. It's actually not so rare I can say I've never seen it, but some of the other stuff I found is like indigo black, and that I've never seen at all. And usually the black stuff, you just see a little bit of it. There's some pretty good druzy right there. We'll keep that piece. And my truck is already starting to weigh down a little bit. Oh, looky, looky. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh, that is pretty. Sitting right on the surface. And look at those crystals. Man, nice. Not like an overly spectacular specimen, but just to be sitting there. And then that next to it is a rim from a Hurdy cup. So that looks like bone there. Actually, I think it is. We're gonna look at that later. And I see some druzy right there, but it's not enough for me to be like, oh, I'm gonna throw that in the pile. So I'm gonna throw it back. It wasn't keeper size. Okay, look at this. So that's pretty strange. I'm not sure what's on there. I'm gonna look at that and see if it's tar. Could be. We'll check that one out. It is not the usual stuff. Now there's a lot of burnt wood in here, which I'm not sure why. There's another Hurdy cup shard. And these grooves actually, that is, hold on, I'm trying to clean with two hands. So you can see that second rim. This is the upper part, is the upper band, where the hole would actually be in the side because it can support the weight. And you see my footprints. I already walked through here once, but this spot's really good, so we're gonna walk twice and see, hey, what's this right here? Okay, let's see if you can see that. Right there. No, not what I thought. I see some stuff in there. So we're gonna go take that and clean it up too, just in case. Leave my pile there. All right, it is hot out here. Let me tell you, I had to change my pants into my shorts. It's that doggone hot. All right, I was hoping to find a piece of that really dark coral. There it is. Look at this. Okay, so this, make sure, it's hard to see my screen, is what I'm talking about. It is just dark black, and it's got druzy crystal all in it. It's a little bit odd from my perspective, but maybe somebody else has seen it and can tell me what it is. Oh, hello. I see pretty. Can you guys see that? Let me find my hand on my screen. Okay. Yeah. Look at that stuff. Nice. All right. So no good shells. Like I was hoping for a whelk, or heck, I'd even settle for a really nice periwinkle at this point. Uh-oh, spotted. See it? Can you see the druze? Can you see the druze? Yeah, that's the sparkle of life. Take that piece, look at it. Not that it's spectacular or anything, but I'm grabbing specimens because I've never been to this site before, so I want to find out what exactly is here. So I take some random ones that I would normally say no, and take that. You know, typically my numbers are a 10% sample. That's what I would work with if I was doing this by the book. So there we go. Thanks for checking in.